For executing static SQL queries, which interface required? Statement. For executing dynamic SQL queries, prepared statement. For executing PLSQL programs, callable statement. For executing DDL queries, which method is suitable? Execute. DML queries, execute update. For executing DQL queries, execute query. Okay. You have seen statement with these three methods you studied. Okay. Now you are learning prepared statement now. Prepared statements you are learning. See, yesterday methods I given, prepared statement interface methods. How to use, I'll explain. Suppose say here just one record is there, and now I want to insert one more record with the PLSQL prepared statement dynamic SQL query. Say suppose it is an Oracle database. In this database, student table is there. In this student table, already one record is there. Roll number, name, marks, 3 columns. Unless marks, one record is there. Through Java application, I'll send one dynamic SQL query. Dynamic SQL query, it's a SQL request. Here, SQL response. Suppose SQL query is like this. Insert into student values. Question mark, question mark, question mark. So on dynamic SQL query. Okay. Now I'll accept the data dynamically through scanner class. Enter roll number. I'll enter one roll number. Okay. Roll number 2. Enter name. Name of the student. Enter marks. Marks of the student. Okay. Now this roll number I'll insert here. This question mark number is 1. This name I'll insert here. This question mark number is 2. These marks I'll insert here. This question mark number is 3. This query I'll execute. Then here record inserted. Roll number 2, triple B, 87 marks. This is our task. Okay. This is our task. Note on this diagram. This is our task. Just note down as it is. So dynamically, we are inserting data. Dynamically, we are inserting data. So through Java application, we'll send SQL query to insert a record. But that query, dynamic query. Values will enter dynamically. Say it is not an array. That's what index starts from 1. Result set index also, this question marks index also, it starts from 1. Placeholder index also will call. It starts from 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Command line arguments will be there. That is starts with 0. Reason that is array. Is it completed? Say enter roll number. You will enter one roll number. Enter name. You will enter name. Enter marks. You will enter marks. These values we have to set. Then this query we have to execute. Then this record is going to be inserted in database. This is our task. Now, how to do this one? I'll explain. See, our task is this one. Enter roll number, enter name, enter marks. If you want to accept dynamically, if you want to accept, there are many ways. Which is the best way? Scanner class. Okay. Next topic onwards, what we'll do, we'll create one graphical user interface in HTML. In HTML, we'll create graphical user interface like this. In HTML, we'll create one graphical user interface like roll number, name, marks, like this. We'll create one graphical user interface. We'll enter the data in graphical user interface. Later, we'll click on submit button. Then this data is going to be inserted in database. That is next topic onwards, we'll see. But scanner class, buffered reader class, and command line arguments, data input stream, system.in.read, these all no one will use in real-time applications. Okay. Now, present that HTML, if you want to receive, again, Soulet topic required. From HTML, if you want to receive the data, Soulet topic required. In Soulet, we have to write JDBC code. Directly communication not possible. That is the reason present you will learn with scanner class. Okay. This program you have seen. So you have seen one is connection demo, one is create demo, one insert demo, select demo, 4 programs you studied. Now you are going to see dynamic SQL queries. How to execute dynamic SQL queries you are going to see now. See, right click, new class. Suppose prepared statement demo. Prepared statement demo, main method, finish. Now, first loading a driver, establishing connection, it is same. First loading a driver, what we have to write? Class dot for name. Okay. JDBC also versions are there. 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, present 4.6 version is going on. JDBC 4.0 onwards, even if you don't write this line also, driver loaded. Auto loading driver facility concept is there. I'll explain list of features also. At the time I'll explain, present I'll load. Class dot for name, Oracle dot, JDBC dot, driver dot, Oracle driver. This is Oracle driver. Type 2 driver also same driver. Type 4 driver also same driver. Establishing connection, what we have to write? Connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. How many parameters? 3 parameters. Like URL, username, password. URL JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at localhost colon 1521 colon XC. Username system, password manager. Okay. This is every day, it is common present. Okay. After establishing connection, if you want to execute static SQL queries, which interface? Statement. Dynamic SQL queries, prepared statement. Executing PLSQL programs, callable statement. Present, what we are going to execute? Dynamic SQL queries. For that, which interface required? Prepared statement. For getting prepared statement reference, which method you have to call? Already connection interface, 3 methods I given. In a connection interface, 3 methods I given. For getting statement interface, which method we call? Create statement. For getting prepared statement, which method? Prepare statement. And for getting callable statement, get callable statement not there. Prepare call. Prepare call. Create statement, prepare call. 3 methods already I taught while teaching connection interface. Okay. Connection establishment time, while performing the task time, I given 3 methods are there. Okay. Prepare statement method, if you call, you'll get a prepared statement. Now we are executing dynamic SQL query. See, depends upon our task. We have to select. First, this is same code for establishing connection. So with this JDBC driver loaded, with this connection established, this code is everyday same. Now depends upon our task. If you want to execute static SQL queries, statement required. If you want to execute dynamic SQL queries, prepared statement required. For executing PLSQL programs, callable statement required. If you want to get statement interface, which method you have to call? Create statement. Create statement method you have to call. For getting prepared statement, prepare statement method required. For getting callable statement, prepare call method required. Okay, prepare call method required. Now this method we have to call. Now with connection interface, return type is prepared statement, something PSTMT. Whatever you want, you can write that is the reference. After that, connection reference dot prepare statement. Here we have to pass one dynamic SQL query. Dynamic SQL query. How to write? Insert into student values. Question mark, question mark, question mark. 3 question marks. Okay. Now my query prepared. This query ready. Now this query is ready. But these values you have to accept dynamically, no? For that, what we have tried? Which class? Scanner class. So here query is ready, but we have to insert data. For that, scanner class required. What we have tried? Scanner class you study, no? Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Here, why we are writing system.in? This constructor takes parameter is what it takes parameter? Scanner class constructor, you have seen, no? No, scanner class constructor, what it takes. If you want to see scanner class profile, what you have to write? Java P, java.util.scanner. Okay, scanner class profile. Scanner class profile, you observe. In a scanner class, what is the parameter? See, input stream. So it is public, it is accessible, it is constructor. Constructor is called whenever object is created. So we are creating object. Scanner SC equal to new scanner. Then this constructor is going to be called. But what is the parameter? See, input stream. Input stream we have to pass. But what we are passing? System.in. But input stream object or input stream reference we have to pass. Input stream object or input stream reference we have to pass. See, scanner class constructor, it takes java.io.input stream. Input stream class object or input stream class reference we have to pass. Now input stream, if you open java p java.io.input stream. Input stream is it abstract class or concrete class? Abstract class. Can we create object? Can we create object? But how that line is valid? System.in. Input stream object is not possible, but how it is valid? Input stream, can you create object? No. But how that line is valid? Only directly this line you by hearted. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in by hearted, I think. But actually, here, this is scanner class object. Scanner is equal to new scanner. What we have to pass? Input stream object or input stream reference we have to pass. But input stream is abstract class. Can we create object? But how it is valid, that is? You by hearted that line, scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. But how that line is valid? Give me answer. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Actually, which class object you have to pass? Input stream object you have to pass. Okay. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Parameter is input stream. Parameter is input stream. But input stream is abstract class. Abstract class, can we create object? No, object we cannot create. But which class object passed there? You are passing system.in. What is in? What is system? Why we are writing like that? What is it? In is a reference of which class? In is the reference of which class? System class. You are writing system.in. That's what system class. I think many people by hearted this line. Understood. Scanner S equal to new scanner system.in. It is better, no? Why these all remaining? See, if you know library how to use, not only this library, Advanced Java, J2EE, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Hibernate, further any library. Selenium also, Hadoop also, SAP NetWeaver also, Salesforce also, Android also, other courses libraries also. Same will be there. Parameters, return types, method names, how to use, how to pass, these all if you know. Any library you can write, you can understand easily. But if you by heart the line, if you that complete line, if you by heart, it is no use. Then further libraries also you cannot understand. Here, you observe, once if the person knows how to use Java library, then any Java program you can write after joining in a company. Because whatever I'm teaching, if I teach 100 programs also, there 101 comes. If I teach 1000 also, there 1001 comes. N number of if I teach, there one more will be there. Will you get it in my notes? After joining the company, team leader will get task. Will you get it in my notes? No. You are learning language. Once if you know the language, any library you can use. Any library. So, with that knowledge, any library you can use, you can apply. That type of skills required. You should learn language. You should use library. Once if that knowledge is there, any project, any application, any library you can implement, you can use. Here, scanner class constructor. Now, scanner class constructor I have shown. Scanner class constructor parameter is input stream. You observe. Java P, Java dot util dot scanner. Here, scanner class profile. Here, public. You can access anywhere, no restriction. Java dot util dot scanner. Class name, method name, same. It is called constructor, which will take input stream. So, scanner class constructor takes input stream. Input stream. But input stream is abstract class. Input stream is abstract class. You cannot create object. You cannot create object. But input stream class already implemented in some classes. They selected buffered input stream. One more class is there. Buffered input stream. Now, here, what they did is input stream is a superclass. Buffered input stream is a subclass. Buffered input stream is one subclass. Now, what is the actual parameter input stream? Can I pass buffered input stream object? Can I pass in the place of input stream? Can I pass buffered input stream object? Yes or no? Yes. Because it is subclass. Subclass object or subclass reference, if you assign to superclass, that concept is called upcasting. Upcasting always valid. Upcasting done by system implicitly. If you want to do downcasting, superclass to subclass, first upcasting should be, you should check it is there or not. If it is there, Whether explicit type conversion is there or not, you have to check. If it is there, valid. Otherwise, not valid. But upcasting, always valid. Subclass object or subclass reference, if you assign to superclass, that is always valid. But superclass object, superclass reference, if you want to assign to subclass, first of all, upcasting required. After that, explicit type conversion required. Then only valid. If you by-heart the concept, further you cannot implement applications. If you know how to use Java library, not only my programs, new programs also you can write. Okay. But if you by-heart the library, whatever faculty teaching, that is only you can do. New program, not possible. If you know the library very in depth, if you know, any program you can write yourself. So actually, scanner class constructor, what it takes? Input stream. But input stream is abstract class. Can we create object? No. Objects cannot be created to abstract classes.